Want to make your iPhone's lock screen come alive? Watch this. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down to find the Wallpaper option. Tap on Wallpaper. Now look for the Add New Wallpaper option. Tap on it. Then at the top of the screen, tap Live Photo. Select the All option to view your live photos. Here, you'll see multiple photos on the screen. Select the photo you want to use. After that, make sure the Live Photo option is enabled. Now look at the top right corner of the screen and tap on Add. Confirm by tapping Set as Wallpaper Pair. Again, go back to the home screen, then lock the screen to check your new wallpaper. And that's it. Hit subscribe for more quick iPhone tips.